how to appear offline on WhatsApp even when you are online. So today in this video I will be showing you the trick to be offline on WhatsApp even when you are using WhatsApp or even when you are online. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So once you are in the home page or this section of WhatsApp, you'll be able to see the chat with your friends or anyone on WhatsApp. So in the first step, you need to tap on the three dotted vertical line in the right upper corner, and from over here you have to go for settings. And on the settings, you'll be able to see the various options like your account, privacy, avatar, chats, and many more. Simply go for privacy and you'll be able to see last seen and online option. Simply tap over there. So two options will be displayed on your screen, which are who can see my last seen and who can see when I'm online. So right now this option is for everyone. You just have to switch to nobody on who can see my last seen option, and by doing that, the second option, which is who can see when I'm online, is also for nobody because it is selected on same as last seen, and our last seen is for nobody. And by doing that, no one will be able to see when you are online, which means you will appear offline on WhatsApp even when you are using your WhatsApp or when you are online. So by these simple settings, you will be able to fix your problem. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.